Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook. Imagine being 19 years old in a tiny college dorm with just a laptop and a dream. You build something for fun, a simple website to connect students. This is the story of how Mark Zuckerberg almost lost Facebook before it even began. And more importantly, how you can learn from this moment to protect your own dream before someone takes it from you. Stick with me till the end, because the moment Facebook became a billion-dollar idea is the same moment Mark's biggest nightmare began. Because while everyone was clapping for him, some were sharpening knives behind his back. Mark wasn't just a student anymore, he was a target. Then boom, an email drops from the Winklevoss twins and Divya Narendra. They said, Mark delayed our project just so he could launch his first. Suddenly, the genius boy became a villain. Media headlines exploded. Facebook built on betrayal. Zuckerberg sued by classmates. Investors started panicking. They trusted him. They gave him access to their project. He was supposed to help them build a website called Harvard Connection, but instead, he disappeared and launched Facebook first. They were furious, and worse, they had proof, screenshots, messages, promises, evidence that Mark delayed them so he could get ahead. Eduardo Saverin, his co-founder, Dustin Moskovitz, his roommate, both started pulling back. Facebook was booming, but Mark was burning inside. That's when he met Sean Parker, the founder of Napster, a guy who understood chaos and how to use it. Sean looked at Facebook and said one thing: "You're not building a blog, Mark. You're building a revolution. Start with the name, just Facebook." But he also gave Mark something else, a vision, not just a college website, but a company that could rule the internet. But with big visions come bigger doubts. Dustin Moskovitz, his roommate, Eduardo Saverin, his first believer, started wondering, did Mark actually steal the idea? Trust was fading fast, and Mark was running out of time. Mark made the call. He paid them $65 million and Facebook shares. People asked, why pay if you're innocent? But Mark wasn't focused on proving anything. He was focused on one thing: winning the long game. Because sometimes you don't win by fighting, you win by building. So, what can you learn from this moment? 1. Protect your ideas early. Even if you trust someone, get it in writing. Mark didn't and almost lost everything. 2. Success attracts enemies. Not everyone will clap when you grow. 3. Don't fight every battle. Sometimes peace is the smartest strategy. The goal isn't to prove a point, it's to protect your purpose. Imagine if Mark lost that case. No Facebook, no Meta, no Instagram. All from one mistake: not protecting his idea early. You're creating something special. A brand, a business, a dream. Remember, protecting it isn't optional, it's essential. If Mark's story inspired you, there's another incredible journey waiting for you. Click the next video: How Jeff Bezos Built Amazon from Zero, and how you can too. Your time is now. I'll see you there.